In this video, we're going to talk about selecting a tag, selecting an element from HTML into JavaScript. We can find that element in different way by query selector, by tag name, by class name, by ID, like these things. First of all, I want to make a tag, p tag, and after that, I want to access this inside of my JavaScript because I want to change the element, you know. You can access it like this. I want to store this inside a variable document dot get element by tag name. First of all, let's learn about tag name. After that, parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you can put double quotes or single quotes, doesn't matter. And after that, you have to write your tag name. My tag name is P. And now I want to change, I want to add a text inside of this tag. X, we have an array. We have to put the index of that tag. You know why? Because maybe we have more than one p tag, paragraph tag. And after this, we have to write the index of that tag that we want to change. I want to take the first tag, dot inner HTML. With inner HTML, we can change tag. We can change the text or add the text. For example, this is first paragraph. Now let's see. Look, it added this first paragraph. If you wanna add in this tag, you can add it like this. This is second paragraph. This is selecting a tag by tag name. If you wanna choose an element by ID, you can write it like this. First, you have to write an ID for this. I wanna write a demo. Let's change this into comment, and you can store it inside this variable document dot get element by ID. Inside the parentheses, you have to put the ID of that tag that you want to change, that you want to add something, demo. And now we can access it. X dot inner HTML equal to, for example, I want to write hello world. It says hello world. No, because I selecting this tag by its ID. Why I don't specify, why I don't define the index of this? Because ID can be unique. For this reason, I didn't specify that things. Now let's change this into comment, and I wanna write class A, and here I also write class A. After that, I wanna access these elements by their class. Let x equal to document dot get element by class name. After that, parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you have to write the class A. And now you can access it. You can call it X because we have more than one element with the same class. With this reason, you have to call that tag with its index. I want to choose the 0 index, dot inner HTML equal to this is class name tag. Now let's see. It says this class name tag like this.